Here's a quick little video on a Sony DVD recorder. It's a Sony RDR-GX330. It does come with the remote. The remote does work great. A little bit of discoloring. I'm not sure if it's set in the sun or what, but go ahead and turn this on. Go ahead and press open from the remote here. The remote will not be shipped with batteries. It's just the remote itself, and I'll hit close. Go ahead and hit play. Next. 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 Advance. Fast forward. Play. And we'll go back.
Superman wasn't wrong. We'll be stronger as a unite.
Rewind, play, stop. Alright, drive from here now a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and hit play. There's really only play, stop, and eject. And then eject, and shut it off. This little door does pull down, so if you had like it'd be ideal for like a camera. You know, you would hook up your camera, plug that into here, then you would record to a DVD. And then you got the DVD there. You've got this right here, and just make sure when you hook it up, if you don't use some of the advanced cable that you get on this side here for the line out. Do not do line in. That would be bringing in another source. That's the video.